Rolling out mobile devices across your organization? You've probably already done a lot of heavy lifting, selecting devices, developing apps, and strategizing the outcomes. You're ready to launch, right? Would it surprise you to know that 73% of the best planned programs are missing a critical component? One of the most important steps is deciding how to charge and secure devices when not in use. Uncharged devices will lead to lost productivity and slower adoption of new processes. Lost and broken devices can create substantial budget overruns. Research shows that 41% of data breaches are due to lost or stolen devices, which can lead to crippling fines, bringing the success of your program to a screeching halt. And that's where PC Locs comes in. We're the experts in mobile device deployments. Our charging stations seamlessly integrate into your workflow, so you can forget about charging and security and focus on your goals. Charging stations provide a centralized point for storage, so staff members always know where to find charged devices. And innovative product features increase your staff's productivity. All of these factors lead to a successful program that will have a positive impact on your bottom line. Our expert problem solvers will walk you through the best solution to meet your needs. So be one of the forward-thinking companies who have considered the logistical hurdles ahead. Contact PC Locs today.